Hi, my name is Emily Stewart, and I actually created this PowerPoint for the last challenge, so hopefully it is okay that I'm using it for this challenge. I'm just going to briefly go over what I wrote about. I actually chose the Holocaust for my course theme, so I hope you enjoy. So first, Hitler's beliefs. He was the Nazi Party leader. He believed that the German race was superior and that Jews were inferior. He believed that Jews had absolutely no place in Germany. Anyone that was disabled, homosexual, or other people who didn't fit in to Hitler's ideal race were also sent to concentration camps. Little background on Mr. Adolf Hitler. He was born April 20th, 1889. He had 5 siblings. He was born in a small town in Austria called Brauchau am Inn, and he was also a German war soldier in World War I. Alright, concentration camps. There were 20 main concentration camps in Germany, but overall there were over 1,000. Auschwitz was the largest and the most deadly and the deadliest camp. 6 million Jews were killed and 11 million people were killed in total at the concentration camps. And then a little background information about Auschwitz. Work sets you free. That is the gate that you see right there above Auschwitz. 1.1 to 1.5 million people died in Auschwitz. Anne Frank was sent to Auschwitz, and she was a very important person when learning about the concentration camps and the Holocaust. Dr. Mengele, also known as the Angel of Death, performed his work at Auschwitz. He is also very important to learn about. Liberation. Soviet soldiers were the first to liberate camp prisoners in the final stages of World War II. Many prisoners were too weak to eat or digest food and could not survive liberation. Most survivors had no family left alive, and they were forced to start their lives all over again. Alright, and then a little bit about Hitler's death. Hitler was found dead on April 30th, 1945. He was found with his new wife, Eva Mary, in Hitler's private bunker in Berlin. He had shot himself in the temple and had taken a pill called cyanide. His death was pronounced a suicide. And then here are some websites that I used to gather all this information.